2017 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, trip computer, tachometer, overhead console, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.